I've had a lot of questions about hollowness around the eyes. I'm going to go through some of the causes of this and, more importantly, my natural tips to really help with that circulation around the eyes. Now, some of the causes of hollow eyes could be clogged lymphatics, so moving that lymph really important. It could be a loss of collagen over time as we're aging, vitamin C deficiency, but also a zinc deficiency as well. We know that vitamin C and zinc are very important for maintaining that proper structure of our collagen, and of course, as we age, we could have these deficiencies and suffering that loss of collagen. Now, more importantly, my tips, how can we deal with these hollow eyes? Now, tip number one is to take a high quality collagen supplement. And my favorite type is a hydrolyzed bovine collagen. And this is from grass-fed cows, really fantastic at 10 grams a day. That's the type that I take. I mix it in my coffee. Amazing to help to support your own collagen, and it helps with that hollowing of the eyes. Okay, tip number two is to use red light. So of course, the best source of red light is natural sunlight exposure. So getting out there, especially when the sun is first rising, as the sun is setting, you can feel that radiant heat, but also that red light is the strongest at these times when you don't have to worry about the UV at the beginning and the end of the day. Helps to build your collagen. And of course, if you can't get outside, using a red light therapy, a good quality one, really important for building that collagen as well, helping with the hollow eyes. Just keep your eyes closed when you're using your red lights. Okay, tip number three is to take a whole food vitamin C supplement. What does this mean? This means not your run-of-the-mill ascorbic acid. You want to take a natural vitamin C that's made from whole foods, and you get this in supplement form. So some of the basis of this could be camu berries, acerola cherries, loaded in that natural vitamin C, helping, of course, to support your collagen, helping with those hollow eyes. Okay, tip number four is to take more zinc. So getting more zinc foods in the diet. Things like oysters and pumpkin seeds are great, but you may need to supplement as well if you're really low in zinc. That zinc bisglycinate is my favorite type of zinc to take. Now remember, zinc needs a channel to get into your cells, so a zinc bisglycinate that also has some copper, but it also needs a channel. An ionophore, quercetin, is a great zinc ionophore, helping to get that zinc into the cells for that proper absorption to help with those hollow eyes. And tip number five is to use your guasha. Now, your guasha is your best friend, and all I want you to do is very gently start at the midline. This is on clean skin, and maybe you've used a little bit of a serum. I love to use a little bit of castor oil, which is great for the slide of your guasha. You're going to open up your lymphatics first, and I have other videos on how to do that. And then all you're going to do is take the tip of your guasha, starting at the midline, close to your tear ducts, and very gently sweeping out to the outside of your eye. Just like this. And you can repeat 5 to 10 repetitions on each side, sweeping out to the temples. Amazing to get that blood flow going around the eyes for moving that lymphatic tissue as well, helping to drain that lymph. You will see such a difference in your eyes and the texture even around your eyes as well with using your guasha and draining that lymph. Now, for more information on how to choose a good collagen supplement, check out my video, Collagen: Hidden Dangers in Collagen. I'll see you there.